This tiny country exists in the middle of the Pacific Ocean and also in the digital space.
Tuvalu. Period. Tuvalu.
Almost. Tuvalu in the South Pacific will be vastly swallowed by the sea thanks to climate change. But if a country physically disappears, does it also stop being a country? Even though Tuvalu won't entirely disappear, statehood is already starting to look like this. And this could be a model for many, because an estimated 1.2 billion people worldwide risk being displaced by rising sea levels over the next 25 years.
Under any scenario, countries like Bangladesh, China, India, and the Netherlands are all at risk.
So, what really makes a country? Traditionally, these things are widely seen as basic ingredients. But what happens if we remove this? Most people think territory just means dry land. But international law doesn't entirely work like that.
Airspace is a territory. Second, and most importantly for small island states, it's the maritime zones. The maritime zones, as established under the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, are permanent.
Tuvalu, for example, may look tiny on a map, but its maritime territory stretches into an area almost as big as Zambia. If rapidly rising sea levels make Tuvalu increasingly difficult to live in, where do the people go? Tuvalu has settled deals with other states, including the world's first bilateral climate mobility treaty with Australia. Up to 280 Tuvaluans a year can permanently stay and get access to education and Australia's health and welfare system while keeping their statehood. Plus, there's a very practical problem, because a country is paperwork. Tuvalu also has a plan for that.
A digital passport stored on the blockchain will allow our people to conduct government affairs online, from elections and referendums to births, deaths and marriages.
And then comes the trickiest question of all. What happens to a nation's memory? Because a country is also languages, rituals, stories.
The vibrant dances at our festival will all be digitized and will become part of our digital arc, designed to carry the very soul of Tuvalu.
Many states have gone digital to run their affairs, but in Tuvalu's case, there doesn't seem to be an alternative to moving to the cloud.